Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up narrow content on desktop while spanning the content full width on mobile. So first, let's delete this section to recreate our content. So first, let's add in our text. Let's add our image later. Add in the placeholder text. So this is very long, and in mobile this already spans full width in mobile, so our problem is only in desktop. So I'll just make this font size fixed first, so we could see clearly what's the text flow here. So what we need to do is set up the text max width. So we enter in a fixed value here, say 800, and to center the text we need to use the margin. If you don't have if you don't want some space above and below, we can just set link all the sides, set this to auto. So that's how you center the text. So let's view this in mobile. So as you can see, let's just reduce this some more. So this remains narrow in desktop view, while in mobile this text spans full width. So it is best that you save this as a preset. So let's save this as a preset. So let's call this narrow text. It's saved. This is so you could replicate this later. So I'll just show you the image quickly, so we could just do for bonus setup here. So let's add in our image. Let's turn off the retina so we could see the full image size. So it's quite big. So the same concept applies. So max width, we set this to 800 to reduce the size, and to center this image we go to column and hit text align, choose center. So the text was centered as well, so we need to change the text align of the text to left. Let's just add bottom margin for the image. So we could save the image as narrow image. Save that. Or maybe we could add, never mind. So let's duplicate this. Let's say you will add image later in your content here. Add an image. So let's choose an so disable retina, and let's just apply a preset, narrow image, apply, and yes, apply. So as you can see, they're aligned, and let's just add some margin. So it looks like it doesn't work. Let's check the text. Margin set to auto. Looks like there's just a glitch. So margin works now, and let's do the text. So let's add in text, apply a preset, so it's now narrow. So let's check this on mobile view. So up to the tablet and a large phone view, this is narrow content except for the image. And if you view in smaller devices, smaller screens, the content spans full width. So hope that helps.